Hello, I'm going to show you how to enable your dark mode on your Google Documents. To compose your Google document, go to your Gmail app and compose an email. Just click the compose button. Here you can see our screen is in light mode. So let's go back at least once, then go to more button and look for settings. And click General Settings. Then, click the Theme button to change into dark mode. There it is. Your Google is now set to dark mode. Now you can compose in dark mode. That's all. Thank you for watching.